Are you tired of a sluggish computer? Learn the essential settings you need to change to significantly speed up your Windows experience. We'll walk through several quick adjustments that can dramatically improve your system's responsiveness and overall speed. There are several default Windows settings that unnecessarily slow down your computer. By changing these, we unlock better performance. First, let's tackle startup programs. Many applications launch automatically when you turn on your computer, consuming resources and increasing boot time. Go into the Task Manager and disable any programs you don't need running the moment you log in. This instantly frees up memory and improves startup speed. Next up, visual effects. While visually pleasing, these effects also use up processing power. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and select Adjust for best performance to disable animations, shadows, and other unnecessary visual effects. A common overlooked setting is power settings. By default, Windows is often set to balanced mode. Change your power plan to high performance to ensure your CPU and hardware are operating at maximum capacity, giving you the fastest speed possible. Background applications constantly run and sync data, silently draining your system resources. In privacy settings, you can choose which apps are allowed to run in the background. Turn off any apps you don't need running constantly. Next, let's talk about digital clutter. Over time, temporary and unused files accumulate, slowing down your system. Storage Sense is a built-in feature that automatically frees up space. Enable it and configure it to regularly delete temporary files and clear your recycling bin. Even with Storage Sense, it's good practice to manually check and delete temporary files in your settings menu to ensure a thorough cleanup. Removing these files can free up significant disk space and reduce the time your system spends searching through unnecessary data. With these 6 simple changes, your Windows machine should feel noticeably faster and more responsive. You've optimized startup, visuals, power, background tasks, and cleaned up temporary files. Expect quicker boot times and smoother daily operation. Remember to periodically check these settings and perform maintenance to keep your computer running like new. Thanks for watching.